We are going to demonstrate about solar cleaning system. The major components of our project are solar panel, servo motor, lead acid battery, charging circuit, Arduino Uno, unregulated power supply section. So coming to the solar panel, so here we are going to use 12 volts 5 watt solar panel. So there are different types of solar cells like crystal solar panel, polycrystal solar panel, monocrystal solar panel, concentric, high concentric. There are different varieties of solar cells. Here we are going to use an polycrystal solar panel. So these solar cells are connected in series and parallel format, and generally solar cell is nothing but an photovoltaic diode. Whenever the light falls on this photovoltaic diode, it is going to generate the voltage. So here you can see there is an LED which indicates the voltage generation of voltage. So when there is a cloth on it, there you can observe the intensity of the light has been decreased. When I remove the cloth, there you can see the intensity of the light has been increased. So like this, the panel is used to charge the battery, where we are going to use an 4 volts 1.5 lead acid battery connected in series, totally become 12 volts. And this is an on off switch which will be going input power supply to the regulated board and gives an output voltage to the servo motor and the Arduino. So when you turn on the switch, so it starts to clean the panel for every 5 seconds, and it gives 10 seconds. After 10 seconds again it starts the cleaning. So like this, it will be useful for larger amount of generation for the panel. So here you can see the intensity has been increased. Okay, so like this you can increase the efficiency of the panel by using the small servo motor. So this, for the small panel, it would be more expensive of using this. For the bigger panels, it will be more useful using this system. Thank you.